Martha Stewart, Omni Living. I said today we're either going to gap up or we're going to pull back and then we're going to make new highs. But either way, we're going to make new highs. So there we had it. We had a little small little gap up, sold dramatically off right in the beginning, and then came all the way back to new highs. So look at this. What a move in the stock today. I would consider, if anybody's in it, to take partial profits here at this level. I'm actually going to scale out right now. I actually took partial profits earlier, and I'm going to finish off taking profits right now. And I'm out of it. I'm out of Martha Stewart on this trade right here. Even though it could go higher, this is a game about making money. So I was looking forward to this play. It did happen, and I'm moving on for now. There's so many stocks in the market that don't worry about missing out on an opportunity. If this one goes higher, let it go higher. It's okay. But I think at 1330, in this market condition, I think the market might pull back. It's going to be all over the place. So I moved on. AKAM. Great. Remember we talked about this earlier? Look at this. We said, oh, look at this triangle right here. I don't know if you can even see it in this chart, but I was like, oh, made this beautiful triangle. And there, it popped right out of the triangle, like I said. And what happened right when it popped out of the triangle at 11:30? Look at the amount of volume that came in. Look at the move it made. It went from 31.50 to 32.40, almost a dollar move. All right, boom, continued right up. These are the formations you got to look for. Plus, we all knew that one's a good one to stick that one out. All right. Where's the other stock? Where's my stocks? Here we go. All right, so that's AKAM. On a daily chart, that one still looks great. We have a follow through. We're breaking through this pattern right here. Eventually, we're going to be up here somewhere. Eventually. USU. I got out of that stock today on the radio. I was discussing the trade. I want to just follow up in case everyone here didn't catch me. It went up. I should have took my profits up here. I didn't. It came back down to where I was break even. So I was right around 970 where I got in it. I said, oh, you know what? That only one made one bar yesterday. That on that daily chart, it made that one nice hammer. I said, this is a great bottoming hammer. But you know what? I want to still see this eventually play out in a longer time period. I want to see the 60-minute chart make some patterns here before I totally invest. So I had 100 shares. I got out. This could definitely be a point of support here, and you could actually rebuy it here with a stop right under this level. But you know what? I'm going to let it play out. I want to let this stock play out a bit. I'm not in no rush to get in this one, but I definitely think it's near a bottom. IMMR, talked about this one a little bit earlier today. Like this pattern here. Boom, 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 boom. It's all up to the market, though. This one wants to go higher. I think if we break through this 1725 area, I think we do that. We're going to retest new highs. And if we go past new highs, then you know where we're going. Pfizer, look at the 5-minute chart on this one. I'm telling you this. I'm telling you. Where is it? Come on, Pfizer, show up for me. Giving me a blank chart here. Where's my Pfizer? Let me bring up a 4-minute chart here. There we go. There we go. So if you look at the, actually let me start with the 60-minute chart here. Remember we broke through this triangle here. We followed up. We pulled back to the downward trend line. That was a beautiful sign for you to get in. We made new highs. Now if you follow this all the way back, well, this is a 60-minute chart. Let's see if I can follow this back on the daily chart. If we follow this all the way back, right where here, we notice we hit this support. We hit the support over here, resistance here. Support, resistance. If it goes over, it comes back, it becomes support. If it comes up and it hits it, it's resistance. We need to get past this 25.16, or the last high of the bar. If we get past that, we're going right to 25.40. So that's my play today. Decide if you want to take profits at this time or not. There's Martha Stewart heading higher right after I got out. Thank you very much. Thank you, Martha Stewart. I hope everyone sees this in the video. Just getting out of it now, and it's heading higher. So hopefully you're going to get this video. You're going to decide to get out at a better price than I did. if you're up. Or you can continue holding it. This was probably a bottom in the stock, but I'm kind of a shorter term trader. I like to take profits, and you have to be disciplined and get into that mind frame, or else you'll be holding things too long, and eventually they're going to catch you. All right. What else are we looking at? Well, the Pfizer. I like the Pfizer, especially on the quote track here. You can see right here, we made a high, then we retested. I said we need to pull back, retest it 25.20 one more time, and then we're going to 25.40. So, USU heading down lower. What else? What else do I see around here? Right now, let me see what's on the Apple. Everything else is pulling back. Oh, but DXD. I got into the DXD. This is what I wanted to show you. All right. Talk about this fast. DXD is it's like the ultra short Dow. That means you go long it if you think the market's going to go down. So I got 100 shares of that, and I just buy it when I think the market's near a top. Daily high. So I'm looking at the market here. I'm saying, all right, let me show you what I'm exactly looking at, and we can analyze this together. As Martha Stewart continues higher in my face, she's like, "You call me a big fatty boombatty? Well, take this, Johnny." Anyway, so we came up here. 1556 seemed to be a nice line in the sand. And I said, "All right, you know what? We tried to hit it. We're bouncing off. We're bouncing off of it. This market seems to be very high here. You know what? I'm gonna go long the DXD. So if this one is going down, this one's going up. As you can see, the correlation. You see over here, this is going up. DXD is going down. So now I think maybe we're at the highs of the day. I have all these longs. I need something to hedge my longs. So if the market does go down, this is going to bring me some money into my account. If it goes up and breaks this new high, I get out of this one with a minimal loss, a small loss, you know, because it trades like a stock. I get 100 shares. It moves, you know, maybe when this thing goes to new highs, this one goes down to new lows, which is only 10 cents. And, you know, so I'm not losing. I'm down $10. And you know, and the market's making new highs, and probably all my stocks are making new highs. Hence, I'm making more money. So I have a little hedge here. The hedge, you know, make me feel a little bit better about the market. If it does decide to turn down, I can always add to this position if the market really starts to pick up speed on the downside and kind of counteract my longs. All right. Thank you, Martha. I got the picture. Thank you very much. You could just head higher now. I got out of all my positions, all my shares of yours. So it's okay. I took you yesterday. I took you today. And let's move on. All right, I want to get this video out. Daily high. And I hope you enjoy it.